Imagine you have a data frame with some strings and numbers, and you encounter a sorting problem. The issue is that you want to sort the data frame based on the string column using a custom order defined in a dictionary, and the number column using the natural ordering of numbers. How can you solve this problem efficiently? The solution to this sorting conundrum involves using a condition in the sort key function. By implementing this solution, you can achieve the desired sorting outcome effortlessly. The key element lies in utilizing a Lambda function within the sort_values method, which enables you to map the custom ordering defined in the dictionary to the string column while leaving the number column unaffected. This approach ensures that the data frame is sorted according to the specified rules, providing a neat and organized result. Continuing with the solution, the Lambda function plays a crucial role in determining how the columns are sorted. By incorporating a conditional statement that checks if the column name is string, the custom ordering is applied. If the column name is not string, then the natural sorting order is maintained for that particular column. This strategic use of conditional logic guarantees that the sorting process aligns perfectly with the desired criteria, producing an output that meets the specified requirements. In summary, tackling the sorting problem in Pandas involves implementing a clever solution that leverages Lambda functions and conditional statements to customize the sorting order based on the column values. By creatively utilizing these techniques, you can efficiently organize your data frame according to unique criteria, achieving a well-structured and ordered result. So next time you face a similar challenge, remember this handy solution to streamline your sorting process. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment with your favorite Pandas pawn.